Evidence-based health benefits of bananas you didn't know. 1. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 from bananas is easily absorbed by your body, and a medium-sized banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, turning them into energy, metabolize amino acids, remove unwanted chemicals from your liver and kidneys, and maintain a healthy nervous system. Vitamin B6 is also good for pregnant women as it helps meet their baby's development needs. 2. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. You may not associate bananas with vitamin C, but a medium-sized banana will provide about 10% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C helps protect your body against cell and tissue damage. Your body absorbs iron better. Your body produce collagen, the protein which holds your skin, bones and body together, and support brain health by producing serotonin, a hormone that affects our sleep cycle, moods, and experiences of stress and pain. 3. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. One medium-sized banana provides approximately 13% of your daily manganese needs. Manganese helps your body make collagen and protects your skin and other cells against free radical damage. 4. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. A medium-sized banana will provide around 320 to 400 milligrams of potassium, which meets about 10% of your daily potassium needs. Potassium helps your body maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure. In addition, bananas are low in sodium. The low sodium and high potassium combination helps to control high blood pressure. 5. Bananas give you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol. Bananas contain 3 natural sugars, sucrose, fructose and glucose, giving you a fat and cholesterol-free source of energy. As such, bananas are ideal, especially for children and athletes, for breakfast, as a midday snack or before and after sports. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.